Hello people, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you on how to make vegetable stir fry. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this delicious healthy recipe, continue watching as I walk you through. So here are the ingredients we'll be using. Here are the vegetables we'll be using. Here I have 5 medium carrots. So I'll be scraping this carrot and I'll be cutting it into strips. And this is a handful of green pepper. I'll also be washing it and be cutting it into sizable strips. And also this is 2 medium green pepper. I'll be cutting it also into strips. Here I have pepper, fresh pepper, and here is a medium onions. This is seasoning cube. I have 2 cloves of garlic here, and also fresh ginger. So I'll be grating the garlic and fresh ginger. So this is cow kidney. All right, so it's what I'll be using. You can use any protein of choice. You can use chicken, you can use any protein, all right, of choice. So I'm using this. So I'll be cooking it with salt and I'll be cutting it as well. So here I have cabbage. This is quarter cabbage. All right, so I'll be also cutting this cabbage. All right, now the next ingredient is salt to taste, and here I have powdered soya bean. Guys, this is powdered soya bean. I'll be using it in this recipe. And here it's 1 cooking spoon vegetable oil. So here are basically the ingredients to be using. So like I said, I've prepared this. I've cut the vegetables as you guys can see, and I've also cooked the liver, rather the kidney, cow kidney, right? Then here are the other vegetables: pepper, onions, and green beans, and this is red pepper, right? Then I have the kidney stock here. I'll be using it to dissolve the soya bean, and this is the grated fresh ginger and garlic. So I've put the oil, I've heated it up a little. As you guys can see, I've added onions, and I'll be stirring for like 3 to 5 minutes. Green beans is in. You stir. Green pepper. Stir. Red pepper. Carrots. So I'm adding the cabbage. Guys, remember, you don't need to overcook this. Your vegetables need to be as fresh as and crunchy as well. And this is a very quick and easy recipe. I've added the grated ginger and garlic, seasoning cube, Then I've added the boiled cow kidney. So like I said, you can use chicken or any protein of choice. So I've dissolved the soya bean with the kidney stock. As you guys can see, I've added it. This gives a nice flavor. You're going to love it. And for the vegetables, you can also add more, all right? You can add broccoli and some other vegetables. So, little salt is in. Guys, this recipe is so quick and easy. Once you've prepared your vegetables, you're good to go. So you can have this with your white rice and any other thing that works well with you. So this is a sharp recipe, like sharp recipe. So this is a requested recipe, all right? So make sure you try it out. Wow, this is a healthy vegetable stir fry recipe. So guys, hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, please share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. Love ya.